Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Yay.
nga imong gisalud nga di ka namo. Himuang kami nga ang mga maayong Kristohanon masulunod sa imong mga sugo.
Yay! Happy birthday to you. Alright, once again, happy birthday, Tita Helen. Happiest birthday to you. We wish you all the best. God's protection, guidance, and wisdom. Salamat kay Tita for everything you have done to the community, for your being a passionate leader to this community as one of the IDCS. Salamat kay Tita Helen. We love you. Happy birthday. Thanks for everyone. Thank you so much. You are all appreciated. To this easy also, thank you so much everyone for all your presence, Lord. Continue to guide each one, oh Lord. Bless the plans, the desires of everyone, oh God. Salamat, Lord, sa among reunion for today. Thanks a lot for everyone's presence. For the success of our second reunion sa ME15. Ginoo, salamat kaayo. And thank you for all the blessings shared for today's reunion. And I pray everyone can join for our next reunion. Thank you, Lord, for the success of corporate worship to RPL, Ligotom Kopal. Thank you for everyone who prayed, who worshiped together. Salamat kaayo. Happy birthday, Tita Lina and Tita Helen. Happy birthday to you. Yeah, thank you so much, MBLD community. Thank you so much. God bless each one. May the Lord continue to bless, continue to guide, to provide each one's need, each family's. May the Lord continue to protect us from whatever challenges we face. Salamat kay Tita Wanda and Tito Idot for being RPL as we have our reunion this morning. Salamat kaayo. God bless you. Good health, Tito Idot, Tita Wanda. May you continue to happy birthday, Tita Helen. Mwah.